Happy Thursday, everybody. I hope you're all doing well. I'm a little bit under the weather today, but this is still your Power Hour update for Thursday, July 15th, 2021. And there's a lot of news and earnings report to cover, so stick around. Hey guys, welcome back to the TipRanks YouTube channel. Remember, I do this every Monday through Friday at 3 p.m. Eastern Standard Time for your Power Hour update to get you all the news you need before the market closes. So, in this video, we're going to talk about the major indices. We're going to cover news from Nike and Walmart, and then we have some big earnings reports to cover from United Health Group, TSM, and then also Morgan Stanley as well. So let's jump right over to tipranks.com. We're going to cover the major indices first. We have the S&P 500 down 0.74% today, followed by the Dow Jones down 0.23%, and the NASDAQ down over 1% today. Also, Bitcoin is down almost 5% today, 4.97% today, trading right around 31,000 per coin. So not a fantastic day for Bitcoin. Next, we're going to cover stock market news from both Nike and Walmart. In your first bit of news, we have Nike failing to stop an EU probe into their Dutch tax dealings. Now, here's the issue that's going on with Nike. The case included 5 tax rulings issued against Nike by Dutch authorities between 2006 and 2015, and it sounds like they were doing some pretty shady stuff. So, as per the ruling, the royalty payments made by Nike European Operations Netherlands and Converse Netherlands for the use of intellectual property were higher than would have been normally charged, thereby lowering their taxable base and gaining illegal state aid. Yeesh. In its defense, Nike had agreed that the EU competition enforcer had directly started a formal investigation without showing proper proof of the existence of the Dutch state aid. However, Nike lost the fight as the EU case was backed by Europe's second highest court, which said the European Commission complied with the procedural rules and neither failed to fulfill its obligation to state reasons nor made manifest errors of assessment. So let's check at how Nike is doing right now. Down slightly, 0.2% down for ticker symbol NKE. However, this does come in with a strong buy based on 25 analyst ratings with an average upside of 14%. And Nike is up almost 100% over the past year, so they are having a fantastic year. All right, in other news, Walmart is partnering with a company called Symbiotic to achieve supply chain automation. Now, Walmart is, I used to work in retail in this area. Walmart is one of the best in this space, so it's exciting that they're going to be working with Symbiotic to create a robust, smooth, and faster retail experience for customers. Currently, Walmart has a market cap of almost $400 billion, and its shares have gained over 7% over the past year. Symbiotic is a robotics and automation-based company providing cutting-edge technology to increase supply chain efficiency for retailers and wholesalers in the U.S. Let's see how Walmart is doing today. They are up slightly, up 0.27% as of recording this video. Ticker symbol WMT comes in with a strong buy based on 19 analyst ratings with an average upside of almost 18% here for Walmart. All right. Next, we're going to talk about your biggest earnings reports today. First earnings report we want to cover is United Health reporting a better than expected second quarter result. Healthcare firm United Health Group has reported better than expected financial results for the second quarter ending June 30th. Minnesota-based United Health offers insurance services and healthcare products. The company reported its adjusted earnings per share at $4.70 per share, beating analyst expectations of $4.43. United Health had reported an adjusted EPS of $7.12 in the same quarter last year. Revenues increased 14.8% year over year to $71.3 billion and surpassed the street's estimates of $69.45 billion. The rise was driven by double-digit percentage growth in both United Healthcare and Optum business segments. All right, let's see how United Healthcare is doing today. They are up 1.3%. Ticker symbol UNH is coming in with a strong buy based on 19 analyst ratings with an average upside of right around 7.5%. All right, your second bit of earnings we want to cover is Taiwan Semiconductor Manufacturing, or ticker symbol TSM. They are the world's leading chip foundry. On Thursday, they met earnings expectations for the second quarter. It also guided higher for sales in the third quarter, but TSM stock dropped early in trading. Taiwan Semiconductor earned 93 cents per share in the U.S. in the June quarter, up 18% year over year and in line with analyst estimates. The company's sales rose 28% to $13.29 billion in the second quarter. How is Taiwan Semiconductor Manufacturing doing today? They're actually down 6% almost today, but ticker symbol TSM comes in still with a moderate buy based on 5 analyst ratings with an average upside of right around 12% for ticker symbol TSM. The last bit of earnings reports I want to cover is Morgan Stanley beating expectations. The investment bank, ticker symbol MS, earned $3.5 billion, over $1.85 per share from a $14.8 billion of revenue. Analysts surveyed by FactSet expected the bank to earn $1.66 per share on $13.97 billion in revenue, so they beat expectations pretty well. Morgan Stanley is down, however, about 0.5 percentage points, and ticker symbol MS comes in with a strong buy based on 16 analyst ratings with an average upside of right around 9% for Morgan Stanley. Lastly, we want to cover your top gainers and losers in the market. Coming in the top spot for your biggest losers, we have Grub, or JustEatTakeaway.com, down almost 10% on the day. In the fourth spot, we have Teleflex, ticker symbol TFX, down almost 11% on the day, followed by Galapagos, ticker symbol GLPG, down almost 13% on the day. And then we have Cassava Sciences, ticker symbol SAVA, down just over 13% on the day. And in the number one biggest loser spot, we have Apollo Medical Holdings, AMEH, down almost 16% on the day. For your top gainers, we have Jinko Solar, JKS, up almost 4.5% on the day, followed by Moderna, ticker symbol MRNA, up almost 5% on the day. In the number 3 spot, we have Craltix International, ticker symbol XM, up almost 6% on the day. And then we have NStar Group, ticker symbol ESGR, up just over 6% on the day. And in the number 1 spot, for your biggest winner, we have Endeavor Group Holdings, ticker symbol EDR, up just over 7% on the day. Guys, thank you so much for joining me for another Power Hour update here on the TipRanks YouTube channel. Remember, I do this every Monday through Friday at 3 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So if you aren't subscribed already, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Thank you so much, and I'll see you tomorrow at 3 p.m. Eastern.